Hey. Hey. Wake up. We're almost here. Home? No, silly. I told you I had another place I wanted to take you. Yes. It's not that late. Oh my gosh. Who knew a bunch of funnel cake and fair food would put you to sleep? Yeah, I'm totally going to give you funnel cake from now on. That's the secret. That's what's going to make you go to bed. Yes, if it has you slumped like this. Lord knows you don't sleep any other day. Oh, whatever. What? You said the funnel cake makes me drive crazy? Baby, it was one curb. It was one curb, and who even put that there? Whatever. I am a great driver. I'm a great driver. You sound ungrateful for someone who sits in the passenger seat. Yeah. Miss Passenger Princess. As many times as you post that on Snap. Yeah, whatever. Well, we're here. Yeah. Are you nervous? Oh, don't be. Don't be. Let me get the door for you. All right. Come on, sleepyhead. You're so cute. Ugh. Let me grab my bag really quick. All right. Come on, princess. No, not that way. This way. Come on. Yes, we have to go through the woods. It's going to be a little hike. It's fine. It's fine. It's just dirt. There's barely any plants or trees. It's like a clear way, and it's not even that high. I promise. We will be fine. It's not that far. Come on. Stupid rock. All right. Just a little more, and we're here. Come on. Grab my hand. All right. Little jump. Okay. Oh. There. Where are we? Okay, so remember that one time, I think it was like the first time we stayed the night with each other. We had some rom-coms on and we started talking about things that are special to us, whether it was like a place or a person. And I told you eventually I'd have both, but at that very moment, my place was this little spot on a hill that overlooked the city and this beautiful lake. Yeah, well, this is it. What do you think? I know it's nighttime and it's not all that, but like, you can see everything from over here. It's the entire city. I used to come here all the time as a kid. Whenever I was happy, sad, anxious, mad, no matter the mood, I come here to feel safe. It's my safe place, if you will. And anytime I came here, it's like all my problems just went away. I guess I just learned that you really can't feel terrible looking at something so beautiful, something permanent. Well, semi-permanent. Why do I say that? Because global warming. Surely everything won't stay this put together over here forever. Even the state of the world right now. I mean, this by far is probably the silliest 4th of July yet. Because after the debate the other night, I have no words whatsoever. I think the only thing good that came out of it was like the memes. Yeah, I die all the time when I scroll through Twitter. But honestly, I just want to do something useful. I feel like we're constantly telling the people in power what we want and what we need, and nothing gets done. And then out of nowhere, they just start doing a bunch of stuff that literally nobody asked for. I don't know if you have or not, but you've probably heard about it. But like, if you even take a glance into Project 2025, or even look at the Supreme Court updates from June 26th through July 1st, I don't even want to talk about it. Just look it up so you know what's going on. Yeah, it's always good to stay informed. But anyway, the reason I brought you here is because this is my special place. And I wanted to bring you here because I feel like I finally found my special person. I know it's nighttime, so all you can see are the lights from the buildings, which is still stunning. I mean, that over there is the Empire State Building, so it's something to look at, but you are the most beautiful view here. And I thought, special place, special girl, this is the perfect spot to ask you something that I've been dying to ask you. So with that said, I've had an amazing time getting to know you these past couple of weeks. Like, I'm actually obsessed. And I don't think that I've ever liked this much about anyone. Like, I get so excited every morning just to FaceTime you so I can see that smile and your laugh and how your face scrunches up. That's just something that I want to see every single day, or even how your eyes light up every time I surprise you with something. I don't know. I guess I just want to be the reason that you continue doing those things, because you make me so happy and I want to do the same. And I'd be an idiot to continue this moment forward in the talking stage. So regardless if the world is going to shit, I want to do something right for the world and ask you to be mine officially. So with that being said, will you be my girlfriend? Please? Yeah? Oh my gosh, come here. Woo! She said yes, guys! Oh, it's official. You're all mine, right? I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I was so nervous. And to be honest, the fireworks started a little late. I was getting a little choked up and started rambling. Are you happy? Yeah? You liked it? Gosh, I didn't know which way to ask you. I didn't know, because I just feel like anything more than what I really wanted to do would have completely exceeded expectations for like a proposal. Yeah, and you can't skip all those steps. Oh my God, come here. I cannot wait to show you off. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for saying yes. Oh my God, you're my girlfriend. I'm glad it's you. Seriously, I don't know any other person that can make me feel how this place makes me feel. You're my special place now. I like you a lot. Oh, I like you so much. I'm pretty sure these fireworks are going to go on for the next 30 minutes. So I brought a blanket and some snacks. And we can just lay here and watch them all night. How does that sound? And even better, nobody comes over here. I think I'm the only person who knows about this spot. I'm not alluding to anything. Maybe we could celebrate later. Oh, good girl. Come here.